Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. So guys, today let's check Ethereum. Ethereum is here on the 1 day chart, and before we are going in Ethereum, let's take a look about the coin market cap, what's going on with Ethereum on the last 7 days. As you can see, Bitcoin is now on 49,400. We saw the pump over 50,000, but Bitcoin rejected on 50,000 and it's going down a little bit again. And you can see on 7 days about 9%, daily 3.6%. And Ethereum on the 7 day chart about a plus about 5%, and on the daily only 1%. So let's take a look about it. Why is Ethereum working not so good momently as Bitcoin? If you are trading, you can make more profit with Bitcoin as with Ethereum. But sure, you can make more profit with ADA or XRP or Polkadot or Binance Coin with 76%. So, okay, let's take a look about Ethereum. Here it is. Here it is, Ethereum. The daily chart, the Ethereum daily chart, without any line, without any indicator, just the poor chart here. Let's make one thing for this here. We have here a Fibonacci retracement. Let's take a look about this. Today we'll make some things. Today we make some tries here with Ethereum. Here it was the lowest point, and here it was the highest point. As you can see now, we are with the Fibonacci here, with the support line of the Fibonacci, we are on 1491. So the first thing we can see, if Ethereum is going down for the next time, this is a great support. This line here, about 1490. That's a great support line on the daily. We can see here for the first time if we open it. The next thing, I will open now the RSI indicator I showed you on my last videos. What it is, what is the relative strength index, and what can we take, what can we see there. So here it is, the RSI on the daily chart, and as you can see, the RSI is not over the 70%, so it's not overbought. And for a daily chart, everything looks nice for Ethereum. If this RSI would be over 70, it would be overbought, so like here or like here, and that would be a little bit a problem. But for now, Ethereum is going sideways for a time and is under this. It's momently on 64, 65. So okay, that's looking nice for Ethereum for the daily chart. Let's go deeper. Let's turn off the RSI and let's go deeper. Deeper. Let's go deeper. For the first, we take a look about on the buy and sell indicator. That's the next thing I would like to watch before we're going deeper. Here you can see it. Here is the last buy signal and here was a sell signal. So if you are trading Ethereum with the daily chart and you are going into Ethereum like this, about 1250, now it's about 1800. Perfect, you made perfect trade with Ethereum. Okay, that's for the buy and sell indicators. Let's turn it off. And the EMA, let's turn it off. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let's check Ethereum versus US dollar or versus USDT. So you can see on the 4-hour chart, Ethereum is going sideways here a little bit, slightly up, but sideways. We can see here was the lowest low, or here was the lowest low. But let's take this lower low and let's make a support line from this to this. So this is a support line for Ethereum in this uptrend. We can also draw a parallel channel from here to here. And you can see Ethereum is on a good way up. But guys, as I'm always telling you, we have an uptrend channel, okay, for sure. But as you can see, we have here a middle line. This blue line here. And on the middle line, there's also very interesting, if Ethereum is over this middle line, it's a good sign for Ethereum, and it's under this middle line, it's a good sign too, okay, but it's not so good. So let's check it. Here you can see Bitcoin is fighting extreme with this middle line of this uptrend channel, and momently Ethereum is under this middle line. I'm watching this middle line for some times, because I think it's a nice indicator uh, if Ethereum is ready to go to push forward here on this upper side or maybe to the downside. And as it looks like this, it's very possible that Ethereum may go down more and more and more. What's the important level to watch here? That's the last low here. That's this point. Ethereum should stay over this 1657. That's the very, very, very important thing now. Ethereum should not go under this line. So for the short time on the 4-hour chart, this here is our support line we have to watch. That's about this one here. So that's the important point. What next we can see here is a nice thing. In my community, someone told me, Biti, I have a live stream 24 hours, 7 days a week, streaming on Twitch and YouTube. And in my community, someone asked me, Biti, this is an inverse head and shoulder, or? Okay, I think it was Coca, a really nice man, a great supporter of my channel, really nice man. And okay, I have to watch this. We are in the 4-hour chart. Maybe we see it better in the hourly chart, but I see it here is the baseline of this possible shoulder, head, shoulder. So let's take a look about it. That is a shoulder, that is a head, that is a shoulder. For all guys, they don't know what is a shoulder, head, shoulder, take a look on my playlist. I have there a shoulder, head, shoulder video out there since 10 days or something like this. Just take a look about shoulder, head, shoulder, and that's an inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. An inverse shoulder, head, shoulder is always bullish if it breaks out to the upper side. So for us, it's important. If this is a shoulder, head, shoulder, this is our neckline. Everything is speaking for an inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. If we will break out here on this point, so Ethereum has to go up more to this point, that's about 1800. That's a very, very, very important point. If Ethereum will break out from here to the upper side, it may be the breakout of this shoulder, head, shoulder pattern, this inverse shoulder, head, shoulder pattern. And yes, we have a target. We can watch about it. Here is the deepest point. Here is the point to the trend line. We have a line here. And if we are breaking out from here, what can we see? We are breaking up to the upside of this channel. So the next move for me, I'm trading Ethereum. I'm momently not in a trade, but I am looking now for one thing. This baseline is very important. It's a resistant. The resistance is always red, you know. It's a resistant. If Ethereum will break over this red line, doesn't matter if it is here or here or here or here. If it will break over this red line, it may be an outbreak of this shoulder, head, shoulder pattern. And it's the important thing, not only to spike over this line, Ethereum has to close over this line. And the best thing on the 4-hour chart, a closing candle. Maybe it's okay with an hourly chart, but it has to close over this red resistance line. Then we may see a breakout to 2000, and that's a very interesting thing here. That's a very good point to trade, so we can make $200 without leverage, or with leverage 2000 bucks, or so on, or so on, or so on. So okay, I see that's an inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. We have to watch about this on the 4-hour chart. We can see it very clearly here. Let's take on not the EMA. I will show you something else here. We will check the ribbon band. And the ribbon band is momently on the 4-hour chart, and that's a very interesting thing. Look at here. Sorry guys, this is the hash ribbon band. We are fighting in the ribbon band. Ethereum is fighting with this line over the ribbon band, but today it was in, on the last day it was in, and that's the 4-hour chart. On the last hours it was in, and yesterday you can see it spiked down here. So here it was under the ribbon band, but you never saw a confirmed break through this ribbon band, because no candle here breaks through with a confirmed body. That's very, very, very important. Ethereum is bullish, still bullish, as long as it is in this uptrend. Okay, that's for the 4-hour chart, and we see here an inverse shoulder, head, shoulder pattern. Let's go to the RSI. Let's take a look about it. And okay, the RSI is going down here. It's in the middle of this channel at 50, and that's also not a bad sign here for maybe a breakout of Ethereum. It all depends on Bitcoin, as always. Bitcoin has to go sideways or slightly up, but it doesn't look bad. One thing we can take a look about it, and that's very important, it's Ethereum versus Bitcoin. That's a thing I'm always watching if I'm trading here with Ethereum. And if you are not writing it correct and not clicking on the correct platform, you would not see anything here. So you see here, this is Ethereum versus Bitcoin. You see the big uptrend of Ethereum versus Bitcoin. You see the down channel, and you saw here the breakout of this down channel, but it's forming the next down channel. It's looking so bearish for Ethereum. I'm sorry, guys, to tell you, but it doesn't look good for nice trades here, because we have here a new channel that's from this maybe to this and to this, and that's a downtrend channel. A downtrend channel against Bitcoin is always bad if you are trading another coin. Why? Because you are making loss profit as if you are trading with Bitcoin. So stay alert, guys. Here is the downtrend channel. But one thing is another good story here. You can see here is the 30 point of this RSI. If we are going down a little bit more, we may touch this 30 line here. And that's a good sign, a bullish sign, because Ethereum is overbought then against Bitcoin. So, okay, it has to go under 30, but if it's under 30, it's overbought, oversold. Oh God, sorry, it's oversold against Bitcoin. So it's maybe a good buy opportunity. But as long as we are in these downtrends, as long as we are under the ribbon band on the 4-hourly chart against Bitcoin, it's not so a good sign here for Ethereum. Let's take a look at one thing. We will make another channel here, because I see here that's working here very nicely. And if we are making a line from this to this, that was our sideways channel, you can see that we are breaking momently under this sideways channel, and that's a very bearish sign. So you can see now, Coca, you're asking, why is Ethereum not going through the roof like Bitcoin, or why it's not pumping? Because it's not acting so good versus Bitcoin. And you should always keep that in your mind. As long as Ethereum versus Bitcoin is bearish, it's always better to trade Bitcoin. It's a clear thing here. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to Ethereum versus US dollar. One thing again, if Ethereum will come over this channel here, over this line about 0.039 or 4, that's a good thing, that's a good sign, that's a good possibility to trade it, but not here. It's looking not so good momently. Ethereum versus US dollar. Let's go back. And here is the Binance. So, okay. For the US dollar, it's looking better here. We are in an uptrend, everything is clear. But for a breakout here on the 4-hour chart, you know we have to break this red resistance line. Let's go deeper. Let's check the 1-hour chart. And I think in the 1-hour chart, we will see it here better. Let's turn off the RSI. It's not so important for us anymore. Let's turn on. Here it is. The ribbon band is here. You saw here the short signal. That was the head. You saw here the long signal. This was the shoulder. And now it's the fight here. It's the interesting fight here. Ethereum versus this resistance line. You see it here. Ethereum tried it to fight. It could not fight the line. Here again, it could not fight the line. And Ethereum is still fighting this red resistance line with maybe a breakout to a shoulder head shoulder. So, okay. That's the main thing we have to watch now for Ethereum. Can Ethereum break out this from this and break this red line? Then we may see a breakout with a shoulder head shoulder pattern. Then we have to watch to Ethereum versus Bitcoin, and then we can go in a good trade maybe for Ethereum in the direction about 2000. That's a nice Nice target here for Ethereum if it can break it. Guys, that's it for today. That's it for Ethereum. I wish you the best of luck with all. Stay alert, keep calm, make millions with your trade. I hope you will enjoy my channels, my Twitch live stream channel and my YouTube live stream channel. Give me a thumbs up if you are liking my work, or give me a thumbs down if you don't like it, and please leave me a comment why you don't like it. Guys, I wish you a nice time. Greetings. We see us. Bye bye. Your Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant.